What might it be like for Earth if it orbited Jupiter? Even though this would be cool, I would still prefer our current orbit. It seems like Earth is probably experiencing a lot of force pulling it right now. It would probably be getting a lot of earthquakes. Let's see what an asteroid will do to Earth with Jupiter nearby. It broke Earth in half and melted its surface, but what might happen to Jupiter? It seems to have generated a new moon for Earth, but what about its new orbit? Now it is hitting Jupiter and is being eaten by it. Let's see what happens when the most extreme opposites meet each other. A black hole is something so dense that light cannot escape it. A white hole is something with pretty much negative gravity, spitting everything out. White holes aren't confirmed at the time of this video. It is the place where things that come into the black hole might end up. It made an explosion so powerful that it distorts light around it. Now a wormhole has been generated from the collision. Let's see where it might take us to. It seems that we ended up a pretty good distance away from it. Now let's see how big VY Canis Majoris is compared to the Sun and Earth. It is crazy to think how tiny we are compared to other celestial objects. Let's see the Earth size compared to the stars. We are so big yet so tiny, and that is pretty crazy to think about. Let's see what it looks like when it goes supernova. I wonder how long it will take for this brown dwarf to cool down. Let's experiment with Andromeda. Andromeda is pretty huge compared to even a quasi-star. Look at how tiny Earth is compared to all of this. Let's see what Planet Mayhem looks like from the point of Earth. Let's create a quasar system and see what happens to the planets. Meccano 3 is pretty much invisible compared to even a small quasar. Let's give it a moon. Let's give it a planet close to the quasar, maybe a lava planet. Let's now give it a water planet, far away from the quasar though. Let's give it a big lava moon. Here is the map code. You can use it and continue creating if you want, or you can create a unique map with any system you want. Let's speed things up and see what happens. Let's collide a Death Star with it. It seems to have formed a moon. Now let's send a planet into the quasar. Let's see it from the point of view of the planet. Keep in mind this black hole is as large as the Sun. Let's collide Ceres and Titan. Now let's create a scale of a few planets and the Sun. I wonder how these planets will behave when we unpause after. Now let's place the Sun. Let's unpause it now. A solar flare has appeared, let's go check it out. What might happen when I toss number 186F into the solar flare? That's a lot of debris. Subscribe.